Hi everyone, my name is Margaux from Berroco Yarns, and I'm here to talk to you about our new home yarn tasting kit. The kit is a great way to try all of our new fall yarns without a big commitment. Our home yarn tasting kit comes with 6 mini balls of our newest fall yarns, a newsletter which kind of gives you a snapshot of what's new for fall and winter, our fall catalog which shows you all our latest designs all in one place, the yarn tasting menu, which gives you all the different details and information you want to know about all the yarns in your bag, a Berroco sticker, because who doesn't love swag, and a 50% off coupon for one of our patterns on Berroco.com. So let's see what's in the bag. First up is Mochi, which is a super soft, heavy worsted weight yarn. It has a beautiful stitch definition and a really dreamy palette of colors. This absolutely is one of our favorites. We love working with it. It's super soft. It has a bit of like a chain-knit texture to it, but it's definitely one of our favorites. Next up is Tiramisu, which is a light worsted weight wool. It has a beautiful ebb and flow of color. And this is really for those of you who want to carry yarns together, but you don't know where to start. We've made the process easy for you by actually making a yarn that has those two yarns together, because it has that slight, that mohair silk yarn held alongside a colorful bit of yarn. Next up is Millie Fury Light Luxe, which is the yarn that you know and love. It's a DK weight self-striping yarn, but it has a little shimmer to it. The sparkle is a fiber that is woven through the yarn, and it's everything you love about Millie Fury Light. Beautiful ebb and flow of color, and it works up beautifully. Next up is Ariel, our lace weight yarn. We love holding this yarn together with many of our current yarns, including Ultra Wool, Sesame, even Providence. And we also love using it by itself. I'm actually using this for a sweater that I'm making, and I'm using 3 strands of Ariel held together. It is Super Kid Mohair Silk. It's beautiful. There's over 18 colors, I believe. Yes, with 18 colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless with Ariel. Next up is Luxe, our 100% worsted weight pure wool. This is your new workhorse yarn. You're going to love it. It has 40 different colors. It's super soft, beautiful luster, and it's perfect for felting. And last but certainly not least is Artesia. Artesia is our chunky weight mohair yarn, and it has these beautiful bits of color throughout. Each skein is a little bit different as it is hand dyed. And we love using this yarn on its own. We have some really beautiful designs using this yarn by itself, but we also love using it alongside our other yarns like Ultra Wool or Luxe. So we hope you love this one as well. So that's it. That's our home yarn tasting kit. We hope you love trying our new fall yarns and that you get inspired to cast on something new this fall. And if you do, don't forget to tag us at Berroco Yarns. We'd love to see what you make. Order a home yarn tasting kit from your favorite local yarn store today.